Howdy viewers, George here with Howdy A8. Got Adam behind the camera.
Hey.
And today we've got class up on jacks again. Today we're going to be tackling the rear struts. If you had watched the very first video we put out when we went through all the issues that we had, I spoke about how if you leave the car for 3 or 4 days, it starts to sag at the back. So we managed to track down, if we come over this way, some replacement struts. Hopefully it's not a massive job. It looks like it's held in place with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, a couple of plugs, and
call it several.
several points.
Wait, no, 6 times more.
Anyway,
more something.
It's too early for Adam.
Yes, it
So
is.
it's held in place with a couple of bolts, and we should be able to get that off. Shouldn't need to go anywhere, hopefully, fingers crossed. And looking forward to getting these on and getting another to-do item ticked off the list. So let's go back and take the wheels off. Would help if I turn the air on.
Starting a 2-stroke. It's like an F1 pit crew.
Just a lot slower.
Okay, so let's have a look.
Right.
Can't see much because it's mostly covered, but there's the strut we need to get out.
So yeah, here's the strut. What we have to do is take the inside liner off here. We have to get the bolts off here, and then the rest are actually behind the liner. So we'll get cracking on with that. And then we'll show you, once we've got the liner off, we'll show you inside what we're looking at. Alright, so we have the liner off. We'll give you a bit of a look inside here. It definitely looks like a car from 2007. It's seen some salt roads. But what effectively we're going to do here is we're going to be removing this reservoir. So there's 2 bolts here. Another one further up there, and there's 3 bolts at the top of the strut. We're going to be removing the bolt here. This is the ride height sensor, so we're going to be removing the bracket off at the bottom there, as well as the bracket for the brake line, and then it should come loose. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully there's no bolts here that are going to snap or are seized. So let's get on with that, and we'll come back and show you once you have it out. Alright, we're just done. There we go.
There we go. So that's definitely looking worse for wear. I mean, our leaks could come from anywhere. This corrosion.
Look at that.
Well, hang on 1 second, I'll get.
Okay, got it. You can see how badly corroded it is.
Look at that.
There's the new one. Let's swing this one around. There you go. Huge difference. Yep. Beautiful. Alright. So I'll quickly show you inside the wheel well. So we're out. We disconnected the air line, which is this one here. We pulled the electrical connector up here. We've loosened some bolts. The ride ride height sensor over here. And now we've got the new strut going in, and
First,
we will
connect that electrical.
Yep. All right. Well, we'll be back once it's connected up.
Okay, so that actually went really well. We didn't have any hitches. Usually, you end up with frozen bolts that just will not move. We did have some tight bolts, but they all came away without too much fighting. Old struts are over there, all looking as bad as they did, all rusted. New ones are back in. We haven't put the liners back in just because we want to make sure they're working before we do that. So that's why the liners are not in. But yeah, the job went pretty well, and we're pretty pleased with ourselves, if I do say so myself.
Yep, here's the old ones. Well past their sell-by date, as they say. Cool, so all that's left is to put the car down and
Take it for a drive.
take it for a drive.
So, thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Maybe consider subscribing as well. And keep enjoying it, hopefully.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.